Everyone's jumping on the real world train. Our latest stunning review from 60 Minutes Australia.
It's worth it when you hear a boy say they're not going to be silenced.
The only solution to this is $50 a month.
And they will become rich and get lots of women.
Tate's pitch to them is that his lifestyle of money, flashy cars and pretty girls is something they too can attain.
You know why they're talking about us? Because we deliver on our promise. The Real World will give you every tool you need to make money online. We're not some faceless YouTube course or fake guru channel. We're a digital university with over 10 millionaire mentors teaching you personally how to make money. Live, every day. E-commerce, artificial intelligence, crypto, copywriting, and more. All in real time. Leveraging the most up-to-date ways to make money designed to make you cash fast.
I've made close to $10,000.
15 grand.
$24,000.
Oh, 55,000.
I think I made about 250K.
While you sit in class learning how to write essays, our students are learning how to write ads that get them paid. While you scroll TikTok, our students are building AI bots that earn while they sleep. While you wait for the perfect moment, they're making tens of thousands of dollars now. $50 gets you 30 days. No hidden fees, no upsells, no BS. The Real World is so powerful, even 60 Minutes had to mention us. Now, it's your turn. Join the Real World now, endorsed by 60 Minutes.